Dunhill Castle, located in County Waterford, Ireland, is a historical site with a rich and intriguing past. This ancient stronghold, perched on a rocky hill overlooking the Anne Valley, has witnessed centuries of Irish history, warfare, and social change. The origins of Dunhill Castle date back to the 12th century when the Anglo-Normans arrived in Ireland. It is believed that the Poer family, a prominent Norman family, constructed the castle around 1200 AD. The strategic location of the castle, with its commanding views of the surrounding countryside, made it an ideal defensive site. The Poers were influential in the region, and Dunhill Castle served as their stronghold for several centuries. The family played a significant role in local and national affairs, often involved in conflicts and power struggles. The castle was a symbol of their authority and dominance in the area. Throughout the medieval period, Dunhill Castle was frequently caught up in the turbulent events of Irish history. It withstood numerous sieges and attacks, particularly during the Gaelic resurgence, when native Irish chieftains sought to reclaim their lands from the Norman settlers. Despite the constant threat, the Poer family managed to maintain the castle and lands. By the 16th century, Dunhill Castle began to decline. The changing political landscape, combined with advancements in military technology, rendered many medieval castles obsolete. The Poer family eventually abandoned Dunhill Castle, and it fell into ruin. The castle's stonework was repurposed for local building projects, contributing to its gradual deterioration. Dunhill Castle has become a site of historical interest and cultural significance. Efforts have been made to preserve the ruins and promote the castle as a tourist destination. The picturesque location, combined with the castle's storied past, attracts visitors from around the world. Archaeological excavations at Dunhill Castle have unearthed artifacts that provide insights into the daily lives of its inhabitants. These findings include pottery, metalwork, and remnants of medieval weaponry. These discoveries have helped historians piece together a more comprehensive understanding of the castle's history and the people who lived there. Dunhill Castle holds a special place in local folklore and legend. Stories of battles, hauntings, and heroic deeds are passed down through generations, enriching the cultural tapestry of County Waterford. The castle is often featured in local festivals and historical reenactments, bringing its history to life for contemporary audiences. Dunhill Castle stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Ireland's medieval past. Though now in ruins, it remains a powerful symbol of the region's rich history and the resilience of its people. Visitors to Dunhill Castle can walk in the footsteps of the Poer family and imagine the castle in its former glory, a mighty fortress overlooking the beautiful Anne Valley. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. It would help my channel in the algorithm. Thank you.